Alright guys, we were in the previous project. Okay, I'm just gonna delete all these things right now. Okay, bye bye. Okay, I just gonna, let's say, h1 h3 users. H4, let's say H4. Okay, let's right now go here. What I want to do, guys, I'm just gonna go here and just write place holder JSON place holder, and of course let's write users. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, go here. Okay, we got some users, right? What I'm gonna do, I want to take this to bring these users here. Okay, all right, we want right now, guys, to bring use effect. Okay, we want the pattern function, the callback, and then let's go. Okay, we don't have use effect here. You can manually put here use effect, or you can just look here. You can delete this and then put tab again and choose this, and look, automatically it goes here, right? Cool. After this, I forgot to go control clear. Let's go and take npm install axios in order to make requests. Okay, we just wait for a while. Alright, it was added. After this, npm start again. Nice. And then we have to import axios to bring this module from axios. What I'm doing, I just want to bring it. Okay, we got axios now. Now guys, let's go and just make a request here. I'm gonna create a function and call it fetch const fetch data equal with. Okay, we can't create, I want to use the async await. Okay, but I can't use here async. Okay, because it's not allowed. This is a callback function of useEffect. It's not suitable to create it here, to put it here, right? So I'm gonna put it here, async. I'm gonna create a res equal with await axios.get. Okay, we want to take data. For this reason, let's put this template strings. Okay, I'm just gonna see, copy all these things, control copy this address, right? Paste it here, and then we have to bring all this data somewhere. Okay, right now we don't bring this data. Okay, let me see. Res is not defined. Okay, we have to define it, const, right? Okay, I'm just gonna open inspect element, right? We don't have nothing right now. Let's call fetch data. What I'm doing, right? And right now, let's make a log, a console log, in order to see the res. Okay, look here, we got it. We got all the object, but we want the data. Okay, let's put dot data, and let's see what we got here, guys. Okay, what we did here. The first time React is gonna render. Now React is gonna render every time. It's gonna create an infinite loop, guys. Look, it creates an infinite loop over and over and over, generally. Because we haven't put it here, the array. It's gonna render only one. It's gonna update only one. Okay, we got the array. Fetch data. Okay, let's take the. I'm gonna see the data. Let's take what? Data dot name. I'm gonna take the name dot name. Okay, and we take yes, because we have to loop. We got an array, and here we got objects, so we go to loop in order to take the name. For this reason, we see the undefined. Okay, let's go. We want to bring the data somewhere, right? Let's create a const let's tell incoming. So I'm gonna just put incoming, set incoming. What I'm writing, right, equal with. We want the use state right now. Okay, we want an empty array as initial state. Okay, let's call it also here. Okay, we got use state. We have at first sight an empty array, and then now we don't need the console log, or you just write, we want to update the new data, set where is set in what happened? Okay, set incoming okay, what happened? Let me see, set incoming is not defined. Okay, because I haven't put a tab here. Okay, now I'm just gonna put here the res.data as initial state. Okay, let me see. Let's go here and right now I'm gonna put here users, and in h4 I'm gonna put cat. Okay, I'm just gonna map here, guys. Incoming dot map. Okay, we want, let's put and what we need right now. Let me see what happened. Something with the div. Expected. Okay, what did I do wrong? Can understand here. Let's do it for it. Incoming dot map, right? We need the item. Let's put h4, and then we need to put here the we need the item dot item dot name, right? Let's see. And we got all the names. We got all the names. Okay, let's make it a little bit. Let's delete all the where is the app CSS, py, all these things, py. Okay, we got all the names right now. Each child in a list, yes, of course. Here we have to put the key equal with item dot id. Let me see if it is correct. Wait. Let me see again the data here. Okay, it has ID, not a dash. Let's see right now. Okay, we don't have any warnings. Okay, it seems okay. We got the data that we want. Okay, now if we want, we can also bring, let's bring, what else? Let's bring the ID. Okay, the ID. Item dot name. Let's say also, guys, okay, we got an idea. Okay, was the simple tutorial, guys, about breaking data with useEffect. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you in the next tutorial.